Hello and welcome to the Ken Vercammen Law of Us Legal Podcast. This week we've been discussing some of the many changes to the New Jersey pot laws legalization and some of the civil rights statutes that the legislatures have adopted restricting what the police can do. So with this edition, we're going to look at what the police can't do if they smell pot on a person under the age of 21. So the new law also prohibits law enforcement officers from engaging in certain actions when investigating an individual under the age of 21 for possession of marijuana, hash, cannabis, or alcohol in violation of the alcohol statute 2C:35-15. Importantly, officers who violate these provisions may be charged criminally under the current law with depriving an individual of their civil rights, regardless of whether the officer intended to do that. Prohibited conduct includes the officer shall not ask an individual under 21 for consent to search the person to determine a violation of that crime. However, if the individual is over 18 and the officer reasonably believes that other criminal activity is afoot, the individual may grant consent to search. Next, the odor of alcohol, hash, marijuana is no longer constitutes reasonable articulable suspicion to initiate a stop of an individual under the age of 21, nor does it provide probable cause to search a person's personal property or vehicle to determine a violation of the drug laws or the alcohol laws. Next, the unconcealed possession of an alcoholic beverage, marijuana, hash, or cannabis item that is observed in plain sight still does not constitute probable cause to initiate a search of the individual under the age of 18 or that individual's personal property or vehicle to determine a violation of any law. Next, an individual under the age of 21 who violates the underage drinking statute 2C:33-15 shall not be arrested, detained, or otherwise taken into custody except to the extent is required to issue a written warning or provide notice of a violation to the parent or guardian, unless taken into custody for committing another violation of law, which the police can do. Next, when responding to a violation or suspected violation of the underage drinking statute 2C:33-15, law enforcement officers must activate their body-worn cameras, which must remain activated throughout the encounter. And this is all set forth on an Attorney General's guideline. We've examined other sections of the new pot law, and for more information, visit website njlaws.com or website benotguilty.com. That's benotguilty.com. And if charged with a criminal matter, contact Ken Vercammen's office in Edison at 732-572-0500. Thank you.